This will be a speed test between the Xiaomi Mi 9 versus the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now they both have the Snapdragon 855. Xiaomi Mi 9, this one has 6 gigs of RAM. The Galaxy S10 Plus, this one is the ceramic white version with 8 gigs of RAM. Xiaomi Mi 9 is on its latest version of MIUI 10, S10 Plus on One UI, both on 9 Pi. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Very close on a boot up, but I'm gonna give the win to the Xiaomi Mi 9. And we are in! Nothing in the background on both. As you can see, all apps have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close, maybe the Xiaomi on that one. Messages. Xiaomi again. And now the camera, we'll do it like this. Let's go. Ooh, and give the edge to the S10 Plus on that one. Clock on both phones. Go ahead and start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. The Xiaomi browser and the Samsung browser. Let's go. We'll search for GSM Arena on this. Go. Looking at the progress bar up top. Very close, maybe the S10 Plus by a little bit. We'll scroll to the bottom. You can see the scrolling speed. And we'll go to the desktop version of each one. Let's go. And you guys are the judges. Both very similar performance. We'll pinch to zoom on the S10 Plus. Nice performance on this phone. And then we'll do the same thing on the Mi 9. So you can see, nice and smooth. We'll leave it on this page. Calculator on both phones. Very close. Play Store on both. Give the edge to the S10 Plus. We'll go ahead and click on Spotify on both. Amazon Shopping. Very similar performance. Maybe the Mi 9 on that one actually. You guys are the judges. Click on the deal of the day. Very similar performance. eBay. Ooh, very close. Maybe the Mi 9 on that. Go ahead and click on this t-shirt. Super Mario Run. S10 Plus a little bit ahead. Will the Mi 9 catch up? No, it does not, and give the win to the S10 on this. Tap to begin. Temple Run 2. Loading on both. Ooh, S10 Plus is ahead. We'll confirm that in a second. And give the win to the S10. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. S10 Plus is ahead. Will the Mi 9 catch up? No, it does not, and give the win to the S10 Plus on this. So you can see, Asphalt 9, let's go. Asphalt 9 Legends, both seem to be neck and neck right now. Oh, I'm gonna call this one a draw. So you can see, we'll tap to play and we'll go ahead and close this out. PUBG Mobile, let's go. Oh, Mi 9 is ahead. Will the S10 Plus catch up? Ooh, looks like the Mi 9 is out in front. Loading on the Mi 9. Will the S10 catch it though? Neck and neck right now. Oh, and give the win to the Xiaomi Mi 9 on this, as you can see. Photoshop Express. And I have this 8K image here. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the spring filter so you can see. And I'm gonna go ahead and max it out. And click on export on the S10 and click on this. And we're gonna save it to the gallery and see which one does it faster. Let's go. And give the win to the S10 Plus on this. Twitter on both. Slight edge to the S10 Plus. Instagram. S10 Plus, slightly ahead. And Snapchat. Ooh, very close. Slow down the video for me. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background so you can see. S10 Plus has 8 gigs of RAM. Mi 9 has 6. So we'll see what happens right now. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the IG. Still there, good to go. Twitter, good to go. The Photoshop, same place. PUBG, right where we left it off, very nice. Asphalt 9, good to go on both phones. Angry Birds 2, same place as you can see. Looking good so far on both. Oh, looks like we have reload on the left. Maybe the difference between 8 gigs and 6 gigs coming to play right now. Mario Run, and the Mi 9 is reloading. S10 Plus in RAM, and a little bit of a lag here on the left. Amazon, same place. Play Store, same place. Calculator, same place on both. The browser, both still on GSM Arena, although the Mi 9 had to reload the page. So you just saw, clock is still running on both. And we're gonna go ahead and look at the camera right now. There you have it. Messages. And the phone app. A little bit faster on the S10. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this test. Are you a Xiaomi fan? Do you like Xiaomi phones, such as the Xiaomi Mi 9? Do you have yourself the Mi 8 from last year, or the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 or Mi Mix 2? Or are you a Samsung Knight, rocking your brand new Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus, S10e, or the Note 9 from last year? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.